Are you looking to study in Germany without paying a cent for your tuition? In this video, I will walk you through powerful websites you will need to find programs and scholarship, application for admissions, and even how to apply to schools without IELTS. So guys, you're welcome to Rosy Discovery, your passport to global education. So let's get started, guys. First up is the DAAD program founder, popularly known as the DAAD program founder. The site helps you to find English taught tuition-free program across Germany. Currently, we are at the website. So what we are going to be doing on this website is basically to find scholarship. You go here. Before we start, you make sure this is turned on. It's in English right now. You can put it in German, but currently it's in English. You scroll down, you go to international program, this particular one, you click on it. So you can see course type, course language, field of study, course type, master's, bachelor, PhD, or doctoral. So let's go for master's. You come here, course languages. You should all know that you are looking for an English taught course. So you go for English only. You come here, you select what course are you going for. For the purpose of this video, let's do law, economics, and social sciences. Click on search. So basically, these are English taught and tuition free. So this is engineering in general, tuition fee per semester. None, you're not paying any tuition fee. And it's taught in English language. All right, these are master programs. There are some filter details we're unable to input in the first page. Now you can see show more filters. You can see programs, masters, subjects. Let's go for civil engineering, engineering in general, mode of study, and fully on site, fully online. You should be going for fully on site. Location, where did you want to study in Germany? You can decide to put any location of your choice. But for the purpose of this, we are open to any location. Institution, you can decide to put any one of your choice. Types of institution, what university do you want to study? For the purpose of this video, let's leave it on all. Course or course type specific, no fees. For the purpose of this video, if we are going for winter or summer, let's put that. So you immediately to filter, and this is it. Civil engineering, no tuition fee, guys. That is wonderful. For master degree, you can see engineering in general, no tuition fee. This is it, guys. Industrial engineering, no tuition fee. Please, guys, exploit this DAAD website, no tuition fee for designing. So this is amazing, right? If you click on it, it's going to apply AI for degree program product management. So you can see it's teaching language English. Language is taught in English full time, 3 semester, winter and summer. Deadline application April 15 to June for October entry, then 1 October to 1 December for March entry, summer semester. Tuition fee per semester in Europe, no time. See requirements. This is requirements, registration, services, cost and funding, about the university. So you take your time. When you come to requirements, you go through it. Please find the language requirement for this course of study here. You can go over here to search it and submit application to. Please find more details regarding our application process here. We'll just explore this website. Let's explore more on this site. University of Applied Science. This is a city in Germany. This Masters of Arts in International Production and Service Management. These courses are held in English 100%. Okay, it's a full-time program. And you can see application period for the winter semester is 30th of April to 31st of May. So this application is still ongoing. Okay, so you can just make your research. And if you come here, you see course details, You see course details, course and funding, requirements, registration and services. If you click on courses, you are going to pay a semester contribution. You will be paying a semester contribution. This is not your tuition fee. It is mostly general for all Germany public schools. You can see tuition fee is none. Okay, so this semester contribution is mandatory for all students. You pay 72 euro per semester. In the requirements, take your time to go through the requirements. Submit application to this link. You can click on it. Course details, the international elements. You can see, guys, take advantage of this presently and register for it. If you want to register for it, you can go here and you take it to the website, translate. So now translated it to English. So if you want to if you like to apply to us, please register for us. So you have to register for us, as you can see. When you register, then you choose the programs that you want. Like you can see September 15, this till from now, look at the date, September 15, this from April 29 to September 15, April 29 to September 15. These are the courses. For a quick one, guys, as much as this is being taught in English, as you can see, as much as it's being taught in English, you will still need to understand a bit of German language for proper advantage, especially for job wise or to interact or with others in country. You cannot be alone. You have to meet other people. In place of staying in Germany, you can meet people that doesn't understand English. It is very, very important to understand at least a bit of German. But this course is taught in English. There's no cause for alarm. But for job-wise, to interact with people around you, it is advisable to please try to understand German. And you can actually register for. Currently, when I was trying to apply for this, I decided to use the Duolingo app. I don't know if most of you knows about it, where you learn a lot of languages. I will talk about that separately in another video, but yeah, it's going to be very, very useful to you. Some of those sites will lead you to another website where you'll be able to apply for it. A lot of this. So like this one now, semester contribution. The semester contribution amount is 276 euro per semester on this particular program in this school, and it includes a ticket for the local public transportation in Germany. So there's no tuition fee, but you have to pay this semester contribution. So this, you can go here and search for your requirements. Like I was saying, there are some schools that will require you to go and submit your application to Uni-Assist. You can see it here. So this Uni-Assist, we'll be talking about it later in this video. Like if you're applying to schools in UK, I don't know if you're familiar with applications to universities in the UK. You mostly use the Uniplan website for some bachelor's programs, while some master's program you mostly apply directly to the school website. But there are some in Germany also, there are some schools that will allow you to apply directly on their website, and there are some that will lead you to Uni-Assist to apply. I will talk about this later. The services, so there's even an accommodation. It offers a student residential for that is close to each campuses. A single room in a student residential costs approximately 335 to 355 euro per month. So you can find a private housing also at a reasonable price after your admission to the university. So this is actually, there's always a welcome event, a tutor, cultural and logistic preparation, visa matters. So these are the services rendered to you from the university to you. Okay, this leads us to our second website, which is MyGermanUniversity.com. It's actually helpful to international students that want to find programs being taught in English. In this site, we have a list of over 2,500 English taught programs in Germany. So now, this is the site. This is MyGermanUniversity.com site. What we'll be doing, you'll be going to study founder, and you can see filter, search study program, So this is it. Let's assume we are looking for engineering courses. You filter more, you come here. Application still open for 2025, 2026. What session are you going for? Of admission, no restriction. It should be open to all locality, to all nationality. Applying versus Uni-Assist or directly to the university, let's leave that. Requirements, let's leave that. Finances, like we earlier said, no tuition fee. University are open to all universities. Programs, less, like English only. We have English only and German language courses. We have English and German courses. So let's just leave it open like this. Then we filter. This is it. These are courses that you can see. Free tuition fee per semester, 3.5 years. International Engineering, Bachelor of Engineering. Application deadline is 15th of July, as you can see. And this is another university. Application deadline is 31st of May to 30th of November. It's a 2 years course. You can see a lot of them. No tuition fee. They are free. So we can exploit this site. You can exploit this site. You can see it's a bachelor degree in engineering. So it's a 3.5 years. Imagine schooling for 3 years or 3.5 years without paying a cent for your tuition fee. That is amazing, guys. So no application, no admission restriction. Semester fee is €500. Remember the other one was €72, one was 200 and something euro. This is €500, which is compulsory. You can come here, look for the application requirements. Applicants must provide all this, so you can see. That is it. So take your time to exploit this website, guys. Take your time to exploit the website. Same also to every other thing here. Just take your time to exploit. Application deadlines are fast approaching, so make sure you get your documents ready to apply to school. Okay, guys, this is the Uni-Assist website, and you can see on the top side of it. So that is the website, but don't worry, I'm going to drop the link in the description below. Okay, so when you get here, you have to click on MyAssist up here. Click on MyAssist here, which is at the top right side of your laptop, phone, or wherever. So you hit on it on MyAssist, and if the site is not in English, which we all know that it's going to be in English, you can see language here. You want to choose the language you want it to be. When you click on this MyAssist, it's going to tell you everything to do. You're going to create a new account, and after you've created a new account, you have to fill in your personal details. Make sure you use the details. International passport, same information that appears on international passport. So the next step on the Uni-Assist will be, after you have logged in, you have to go to search. It will give you the step. It will give you the step on how to go about it and tell you everything to do. The reason why I am not showing you in details is because I am not registering for anything. When you are done with this, it will give you where you go to search. That you can see, that's the university that you've checked in your DAAD website or MyGermanUniversity website.com. You're going to put the university name here. It's going to open and tell you how to apply, how to navigate the site. You fill in your personal and academic information. You upload the required document, certificate, and transcript. Then it comes to the payment and the application fee. It is usually €75 for the first application and €30 for each additional one, because on this Uni-Assist, you can register, you can apply for more than one university at a time. So after that, you click on submit and send. After submitting online, so university might require hard copies. Okay. Tips on this Uni-Assist, what you should know and what you should do. Make sure you apply early. Document verification can take like 2 weeks on this Uni-Assist. So why don't you just apply early? Imagine you are giving a month for the deadline. It's not possible because Uni-Assist usually takes like 2 weeks to verify your document. And please always check the specific university website for specific requirements, please. Uni-Assist does not make admission decision. They are not going to decide whether you'll be admitted or not. They only verify your documents. Please Upload documents for verification on Uni-Assist. Need help with uploading documents or finding your course inside this portal? Drop it in the comment section below. I will tell you what to do if you need help on how to navigate this site. There's a video tutorial on how to register to create accounts on MyGermanUniversity account, how to submit your application online. So there's a video tutorial for you. Here you can see it. There's a video tutorial here for you. Advantage: the MyGermanUniversity account offer many advantage. You create and manage your application. Track the status of your application. Submit application to any Uni-Assist university. It automatically submit document as not satisfied copy by uploading them. It automatically transmit your test AS results. Contact Uni-Assist. So there's a lot of how to use MyGermanUniversity. Register in MyGermanUniversity like I mentioned earlier. Fill in your applicant's information and educational history. Then go to select your choice university and course under search course of study. Select your choice course of study. Make sure that you answer all questions without omissions. Please upload each document only once. Please don't upload your document twice. Make sure your documents are in German or English. If you are submitting a document of your BSc transcript, please name it after what you are submitting it for easy access. Either you name it in German or in English. So a quick one: before you apply to any universities in Germany or in any Europe country, always remember that you must, in fact, it's all university, you have to certify and notarize your documents. Most universities require you to do this. You must certify and notarize your documents, meaning you have to take your document, which is a photocopy of your document, along with you with your original copy to the German embassy in your home country for them to satisfy it for you, just like legalizing process. But due to getting appointment issue, or you can take it to a court. You can basically take it to a court to neutralize it, and it is accepted and applied through the Uni-Assist with those documents. And if the school require you to send hard copies, please do well to send the hard copies that has been neutralized as well to the school through the HL or FIDES. There's another thing I want to talk about, which I will not be including on this video. I will be putting it in the next video. I want to talk about block accounts, because this account is required for everyone who wants to study, or an international student who wants to study in Germany. I'll be talking about the block account in my next video. The block account is a special bank account in Germany where you deposit a specific amount of money. Like, for example, you want to study in Canada or in UK, there's something we call proof of fund. So in Germany, we call it block. There's a block account. To apply to any schools in Germany, you have to have a block account. And the good part of it is this block account even saves your cost, because you do not have to worry much about your living expenses or your feeding allowances or whatsoever. Your tuition fee is being covered, and you have a block account. You're not supposed to worry about your feeding, your housing, your living expenses. So it's actually a good thing. So guys, if after watching this, please, I want you all to watch the other video on the block account. It is very, very necessary for you to know how to open it, to operate it, and to create your account. So I'll be showing you on the next video how to create a block account. If you are still watching this video at this time, you are the real fan. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more tips like this.